Okay, this is a hardware decoding system for the rotary encoder right here. I have two of them, so I use actually four D-type flip-flops, and sharing a pair of AND gate and OR gates, and generating pulse and send into 555 trigger, and generate a 1 microsecond pulse for my microcontroller. So here's a little demo. There's my oscilloscope. I'll just put a probe right into where I want the signal to be. Okay. So now I'm rotating clockwise. Wait a sec. This is clockwise. There might be one or two missing poles on the other line, but basically it's pretty clean. And counterclockwise, you can see all the pulses goes to the top line. Go back to clockwise, counter. So it's 100% hardware. Haven't put the MCU in, so as you can see, the pulse must be generated by these four logics. Thanks.